Bulbul is a 2020 Indian Hindi language horror film written and directed by Anvita Dutt, produced by Anushka Sharma and Karnesh Sharma. Anushka's production house Clean Slate Films has previously produced films like Pari and Filori, which both starred Anushka Sharma in lead. Latest venture was Patal Lok, which received excellent reviews from the audience and critics. Hello everyone, welcome to Everything Cinema. My name is Kapil Batra. Let's talk about Bulbul. But before that, make sure you subscribe to the channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Talking about Bulbul, Anushka Sharma said in a statement, "From the moment I heard Bulbul, we immediately wanted to produce it. It is a fascinating, captivating cinematic story, dipped in folklore which we instantly fell in love with. Anvita's storytelling is extremely unique. And with Bulbul, she is giving audiences something really clutter-breaking. Anvita Dutt, who is a dialogue writer and a lyricist, is making her debut as a director for Bulbul. She gives a keen message by her film that it reminds you what you are truly capable of once you decide to avenge injustice and seek redemption, especially women in our country." The film set in the late 19th century in Bengal. Bulbul narrates the story of a man who returns home after years to find that his brother's child bride, who is now a grown woman in Bengal. The murders are connected to the legend of a Chudail. Satya and his brother's child bride, Bulbul, were inseparable as kids until he was sent to England for his education. On his return to his native village, he discovers that Bulbul has been abandoned by his brother and now living a solitary life as the enigmatic lady of the palace. She has dedicated herself to the welfare of the people. To his horror, he also discovers that his ancestral village is cursed by mysterious deaths and stories of haunting by a woman who lives on the trees. Now Satya tries to find the truth behind this mystery and save his village from the evil of Chudail, who walks with the reversed feet. This is just the story. To know the reality, you have to watch the film. Now let's talk about what works in the film. The use of colors. The kind of filmmaking we see nowadays in India, Bulbul is one of its kind, with the use of brilliant colors. Dark pink to establish Chudail's character, red moon with clouds, and use of white for Bandhani Didi, who is a widow, and cunning even when she breathes, and use of yellowish at introduction of Dr. Sudeep, and a lot of red, or you can say crimson, which obviously describe horror and blood. Second, the character of Bulbul. In the film, she is adored in the most traditional sarees and jewelry. Whenever she is sitting idle, which is nearly always as the lady of the house, Bulbul fans herself with peacock feathers, and she makes no attempt to hide her true feelings, smiling ear to ear or hurtedly laughing at the things of others. The character is brilliantly written, and the relevance of Bulbul to a Devi shows how Anvita Dutt has linked this story to our ancient stories. It's so original. Film beautifully recreates a specific period. The shaved heads of the widows, always glowing mehndi in hands, heavy jewelries, and also the classic Chudail figure is so early 90s, and many other props are brilliantly used in the film. It is a powerfully feminist tale of a woman who has seen wrong, who have seen caged existence, broken dreams, lost childhood, and sexual and emotional abuse. And the story is told with passion and feeling. You will see every feminine moment in this movie whenever it will come. It is so intriguing. The music and soundtrack by Amit Trivedi creates a melancholy atmosphere as the movie moves. The writing is skillful and stays on point. And the performance of Rahul Bose as a child and as a typical man is solid. The performances of Avinash Tiwari as Satya and Tripti Dimri as Bulbul are also very good. The cunning dialogues of Binodini, played by Payoli Dham, are so beautifully written. Parambrata Chattopadhyay as Sudeep also steals the show. One of the most poignant scenes of the movie is when Satya finds out Bulbul is Chudail and how she saved lives of other women in their ancestral village by evil men. The flashbacks of killings shown in the film will surely give you goosebumps, and in that moment you will know you love this movie. What does not work in the film is its opening sequence. The scene opens with a Bengali marriage going on, and Bulbul, a cute little girl who loves climbing trees, has to turn into a wife to her much older husband Indranil. It is kind of establishing an emotional and feminist story instead of horror and thrill. In my context, the use of colors and fog is more than enough in the film. It feels like animated at some times, and the lack of hauntness in the film is what I missed the most. The climax is not satisfying because it doesn't levels to the character of Chudail. The space created in the end fails its own storyline. Now with this type of venture, we all know that Anushka Sharma is a great supporter of films which are based on paranormal activities or are feminist. She is bringing brilliantly written cinema on our doors, and we are thankful to her. I personally loved the movie. You can watch it on Netflix. Thank you so much. Hope you like this review. Please like and share this video. Also consider subscribing to the channel and also hit the bell icon for more videos like this. I post videos every week. My name is Kapil Batra, signing off. Love cinema.